Imagine a world where the digital and physical realms blur into one. Welcome to the future with the Apple Vision Pro. Apple's first venture into a new product category since the Apple Watch in 2015, this mixed reality headset is more than just cutting edge. It offers immersive experiences, blending the lines between the tangible and the virtual, hinting at its potential beyond mere entertainment. Whether you're an early adopter or a professional seeking innovative technology, the Vision Pro is a game changer. The Apple Vision Pro is not just a product, but a revolutionary step towards a future where digital and physical worlds merge seamlessly. Let's delve into the innovative features of the Apple Vision Pro and its vast potential. This revolutionary mixed reality headset is Apple's first venture into a new product category since the Apple Watch in 2015. It's designed to provide immersive experiences that blur the lines between the physical and digital worlds, pushing the boundaries of what we've known so far. The Apple Vision Pro is a dream come true for early adopters and professionals in search of cutting-edge technology. The device's capabilities create a new dimension for users to explore and interact with, expanding our understanding of space and reality. Imagine being able to step into a virtual world not just as an observer, but as an active participant. This is what the Vision Pro offers, a seamless integration of your physical and digital life. But such innovation doesn't come cheap. Priced at a hefty $3,499, the Vision Pro is a premium product. It's aimed at those who appreciate the latest technology and have the means to invest in it. The Vision Pro isn't just a device, it's a gateway to new experiences, to new ways of working, learning, and playing. The potential is vast and wide-ranging, from entertainment to professional applications. With the Apple Vision Pro, the future is not something you predict, but something you can experience right now. Now that you've had a glimpse into the future with the Apple Vision Pro, we have a question for you. What are your initial impressions of this groundbreaking device? Does it pique your curiosity with its potential to blur the lines between the physical and virtual worlds? Do you see it as a game changer that could redefine our perception of technology? Consider the possibilities that this device brings to the table. From immersive entertainment experiences to professional applications, the Apple Vision Pro is not just another gadget, but a revolutionary tool designed to shape the future. Let's also discuss the investment aspect. With a substantial price tag, do you believe it's a worthy addition to your tech arsenal? Or do you think it's an extravagant indulgence reserved for the tech-savvy early adopters and professionals? There's no right or wrong answer here, folks. We're excited to hear your thoughts and engage in a dialogue about the Apple Vision Pro's potential to revolutionize the tech industry. Would you buy the Apple Vision Pro? Share your thoughts in the comments section below.